Hi, my name is Rick. I'm 61 years old. I received the Phoenix device in July 2020 and started the suggested protocols immediately. I use the Phoenix device twice a week and pump twice a day. I just finished the 4-week suggested break and started round 2 of treatments last Tuesday. I have experienced moderate and very progressive improvement. As a matter of fact, my penis length is back to the original 7.5 inches. The girth is much more than improved, and I have abundant and new visible veins in the shaft of my penis. Erections are lasting on the average of 30 minutes, where when I started in July, they were on the average of 2 to 3 minutes tops. I have daily morning erections and very powerful orgasms. So I'm a very satisfied customer of the Phoenix team. I recommend the Phoenix device and all the suggested protocols. It certainly has been a life changer for me, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.